Monty Python's favorite sketches. 2. Second episode, the Gillians, which you can skip that if you want to know what I think. This is indeed extraordinary. Monty Python, the Sutra, the best comedy team ever, making some of the best comedy films and sketches ever. Indeed, Monty Python's Like a Brand was at one point at number one in one compilation somewhere, maybe Time Out. It's irrelevant. Anyway, it's up there among top 5 comedies, with Some Like It Hot, with Doctor Strangelove, How I Learned to Stop Worrying the Love of Mom, Top Secret, top 5, top 10. Anyway, some splendid humor, witty intelligence. We're not talking falling on banana peels and things like that. No way. And so at times it could be difficult to select your own favorites, which might not be necessarily what the others choose. Best team, even if they have somebody inside which I personally don't like. Terry Gilliam, for me, he's the old man in what? It helps he's not really present in most of the movies, unless he's a beggar coming in, just not a cameo, a minor role. So, and then the graphics, I don't see the graphics as the strong point. Some would say with you, well, you wouldn't have a film, it wouldn't work without it. That's the complete over. I can't talk masterpiece, or one of the top 5, 10 best. If you have flaws, well, I'd say that to me emphasizes how superb, splendid, divine is the rest. If you have these things that are just added weight and they don't compromise the whole thing. What he chose here is only cartoons, only of his own, and he makes this introduction, which I was so good. I don't. Well, okay, self-deprecation or whatever you're trying to say, or I'm so wonderful, but it's just a joke. I know I'm not. It doesn't work. Granted, the first episode with John Cleese was a disaster in that sense. I mean, what Cleese plays this wonderful youth, one of the best in the best team. So, the brains behind so much of the humor and so on. Spectacular in his day, but the thing he did for the first episode, his favorites, by the pool, trying to be sexist, to laugh at himself, and it didn't really work. I mean, the added elements around the sketches were not wonderful, to say the least, and bad, really. So this one, I'd give it a miss, and I would insist on what I like, the Indian restaurant. Oh, so stupid, which I should try and do more to bring myself down and forget about telling others, no matter if they're two, what I think and what they should see. The garage. The mechanic, he brings the car, the car has no brakes, but the mechanic insists on, bring it in. I have brought it, it's never had a problem with it. Well, it doesn't work, the gear shift, the brakes. Let's see, it works. It's like mechanic doing all the stupid crazy things, and with The parrot sketch is a favorite with many. When he brings, John Cleese brings a dead Brungol macaw. That's not looking good for us. Banging the stuffed animal on the counter. So that's it. Well, looking forward to Terry Jones's favorites. Terry Jones, the fabulous, died a while ago. Terry Gilliam, not really.